Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon affiliate account. This is really handy because if you recommend to your clients books for them to read, products that they can use, and they are sold on Amazon, it means that you can share an affiliate link with them and you can make money on anything that they buy. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so first of all, go into Google and Google Amazon affiliates and click on that. Now it will say here the email address you are using is not associated to an Amazon account. That's to an associate's account. That's fine. So you want to use your normal email address that you have for your Amazon account. So click on sign up and it will bring you to this screen here, creating your Amazon account. Now I've blocked off some of the information at the bottom because obviously that's private information. But it says, to whom should we issue payments? So you choose your payee. It will ask you to select a payee. So enter the details in there. Are you a US person? Click on no. Then click on next. It will ask you to type in a website. So if I just type in the website and click on ads. If you don't have a website, if you are going to be using this on things like your Instagram profile, that kind of thing, or a blog, just write those in. Click on next. It will ask you to add your profile. So I would use my daughter's profile for this. So I'd add my daughter's name, the kind of content you create. So I create content around recipes and food. I share a lot cooking equipment, etc. So just tell them what it is that you do. So for example, for myself, I share a lot of content around, I recommend books, I recommend tech products, things like cameras, tripod, all of those kind of things. Then choose what describes your content the best. So it could be a blog, could be a content or niche. How did you hear about us? Word of mouth. Type in the characters at the bottom. And then you agree to the terms and conditions and click on finish. There you go. So then you can then start using it. So click on the amazon.co.uk affiliates website. This is it. So then it will tell you how much you have earned, etc. Then if you go into amazon.co.uk, you can see there that I'm logged in as Fiona. So if I wanted to recommend a product, so say I want to recommend a Kenwood food processor. There you go. I would click on that, choose the one that I wanted to recommend. So click on the product. And then here at the top right hand side, it will say get link. If you click on that link, it will link to the page. But this link here, if you share it, what will happen is Amazon will track that. If people make any sales from that, if people buy that, that will then be credited back to your account. So if I open a new window and click on that page, you can see that it opens up. Obviously, they will be on their own Amazon account, so they won't see all of this bit at the top. They will just see what's in their Amazon account, and then you will get any commission that they get from that. It's also worth noting that as an Amazon affiliate, if they buy a product that you have recommended and then in the same time they go on and buy other products as well, so say for example they bought that food processor but went in and then bought some other bits and accessories, etc., you would also get commission on those as well. So it's well worth doing. But if you are online a lot and you are recommending products or services, Amazon affiliates is a really, really easy way for you to get paid for those recommendations. So make sure you like and subscribe and follow me for more hints and tips.